Hey guys, Denis Kozhar here. In this video let's set up gravel material. This is pretty easy to do. I will first of all enable gravel scatter so we see the ring here, and let's take this plane, then we will add him to the exclusion. Now we need to create material for the gravel. Let's call it so. And here I prepared this kind of maps, so I will use this type of gravel. We just need this map. Let's connect it to the displacement, assign this material. Let's show it in the viewport. You can see how bad it is. It just need to have a UVW map. Let's make it, for example, 100 by 100. Like this. Let's see how it works here, and in the displacement let's set up from -1 to 1 centimeter. Next we can go to the 2D pen zoom mode and see how it looks. Here it works well. In some cases you can get some artifacts, so interactive render doesn't always shows correctly the displacement material. Maybe you will need to add more geometry, like you can use subdivide. Let's find it here and change it to maybe 15, like this, maybe 30. Yes, and it can help, or you can go to the performance tab and here change the displacement screen size to maybe 2 if it doesn't get the desired effect, but for me it works pretty well. And this is the gravel material, so if we will start render we will see pretty the same result as we get here. If you have too large gravel you can change the size in the UV map. Yes, as you can see here we get on the small fragment pretty the same result, and let's continue in the next video. Bye.